Centerpiece, or aisle box, or mantelpiece. They're all kind of the same. Watch carefully. Repeat after me. Length, width, four corners. Nice solid piece shooting down your table. See that? Straight out to the side. Length. On the other side, match it. Length. Width. These are shorter pieces because your dining room tables are not as long as they are wide, are they? So there's your width. Do you see the difference? Then your four corners. They go right in the corner, all pointing towards Rome. Rome is in the middle of your box, right here. Everything points to Rome. Length, width, four corners. Notice I'm digging these in about 1 inch into the foam. Do not drive them 2 inches. 1 inch. Boop. Length, width, four corners. Then we're going to do another round. These are up here. Length. You can use branch pieces up here. Length. Width. Width. You want to go too tall. Let's drop this down. Length, width, and four corners. So we're filling in our box. We're making an armadillo out of greens. There's my four corners. I repeated it. Length, width, four corners. Then I'm just going to take a little bit of loose lemon leaf. I'm going to plug it in a little bit. Fill it in. Loose, but not too loose. Tight, but not too tight. Especially the ones on the ends. They need company. Don't leave that single one sticking way out there. I always usually put one or two by it till we get to that. Length, width, four corners. Then, so we're going to go a little boho. We're going to start with eucalyptus, maybe. Flying off the top of your armadillo. That Lucy boho vibe. Break this into usable pieces, some going down your table. Length, width, four corners. Here's the four corners. Don't have to cover all of them, but most of them.